RIP version 2 timers. By default, RIP is a slow protocol. It can be tweaked, but remember, RIP used to be the routing protocol of choice back in the 80s, 90s, and the network was not the network downtime was not really that big deal. Seconds nowadays in the modern network, if the network is out in seconds, I mean everyone will feel it. The timers of the RIP can be tweaked to meet the requirement of the network, and RIP convergence can take sometimes up to 3 minutes, so that's not really acceptable. Okay, so this is how you configure it. So let's just go to the console and configure it. Basically, we are using the same topology that we configured the authentication, the RIP configuration, and we will use the same topology to do the timers and trigger updates, so we can tweak it. Yeah, so you need to go to global configuration mode. We are in R1 and go inside router mode, router RIP. Once you are here, you can write down timers, and if you use the sensitive help, you can always go for the basic, and that's the only option you have anyway, and it will tell you interferal. Before we do that, let me show you show IP protocol, and this is what I mean. If you look at it here, RIP send updates every 30 seconds, and the next one is due 26 seconds. So, and invalid after 180 seconds, and the whole time it will wait for is 80, and it will flash that route, that update after 240 seconds, which is really long time. So what we're going to do is we will tweak it and bring it down, really down, in like a few seconds. Yeah, so this is how you do it. Timers, basic, and we need to choose, we need to change the this 30 seconds. So let's go half. We will not go extreme, we will go half, and the invalid is said 180, so let's just go for 30, and the hold down time will go okay, so let's go for 80. Okay, and the flash we will go for 120. We will go half on the flash. Yeah, so press enter, and what we need to do is we need to go to the other side. If you look, if you go out of here and show IP protocol, you will see what we just configured. You see 120, so that's 15 seconds. It will send update every 13 seconds, invalid after 30 seconds, hold down time. That's what we configured now. If you look at it before, it was 180 and 240 was way too much. So if we go to R2 and show IP protocol, you will see it will exactly tell you the same information that we've seen before. We need to tweak it, and if you look at it here, actually it will tell you the keychain that we're using. Remember, we configured authentication on the last lap. That's the keychain that we used, so we'll just give you more information there. If you know what you're looking for, if all the information is basically there. So let's go inside router mode, so router RIP and timers basic, and what we did was, yeah, we go half, so 15 seconds, and the other one we go for 30 seconds, and it was 8 seconds and 120. Yeah, so if we do the same protocol, same show command, you can see the effects automatically there. So that's good, that's really good, and you can actually see the RIP key. So yeah, we've seen that before. Okay, so that's all about it. Thanks for watching.